In this video, I will be explaining my experiment here, or my demonstration of heat capacity with 3 identical glasses filled with different amounts of water inside. This one is filled all the way with water, this one is filled halfway, and this one is filled with no water at all. This glass, when I microwaved it for 2 minutes, the temperature came out to be 143 degrees. When I microwaved this glass for 2 minutes, the temperature came out to be 127 degrees. And when I microwaved this glass, it came out to be 92 degrees. After cooling it for 2 minutes, they came out with different temperatures. This one came out to be 104 degrees. This one came out to be 91 degrees. And this one came out to be 64 degrees. While analyzing these data, I've determined that the glass with no water in it absorbed the most heat energy the fastest, because the glass with no water in it absorbed the heat energy the fastest because after it cooled, the energy from the glass and the water was released quickly compared to these 2 glasses filled with water. One property of heat is how fast heat can be absorbed and released through different substances. The heat was transferred from the heat source to the object through radiation. With these 3 different glasses, the glass with the most water filled, which was this one, held on to the heat longest. I know this because after the 2 minutes, the temperature of that glass was reduced by a few degrees, while the other glass's temperature decreased substantially. And while analyzing these 3 different glasses, the substances that absorbed the heat fastest was the glass with no water filled. On the other hand, the glass filled with the most water filled held on to the heat the longest due to the water's hydrogen bond allowing it to hold the energy or heat for so long. In the end, this experiment has led me to think about the heat capacities of not only the substances found in the glasses, but the amount found in it. Heat capacity is defined as the amount of energy found to raise the substance's temperature by 1 degree Celsius. Because water is found to have a high heat capacity, the temperature of the glass with the most water was very high, even after cooling it for 2 minutes. The radiated heat can be absorbed by the water more easily, as the infrared light from the microwave penetrates the glass and into the water. The glass with no water filled had a very low heat capacity because the glass absorbed the heat quickly through radiation and was followed by an extreme drop in temperature. This concludes my video.